What's up guys, Dano here. I'm here with DH, one of the owners out here at Country Boy Brewing. He gave us a call last week and said we gotta come check out his facility. One of the biggest, hottest brewing companies in Kentucky. We're the biggest, hottest seasoning company in Kentucky. So DH is gonna give us a tour and show us what Country Boy's all about. So let's go.
Come on.
What's up everybody, DH from Country Boy Brewing here. We're at our production facility here in Georgetown, Kentucky, hanging out with the guys from Dano's, showing them around, having a good time. This is our 45,000 square foot production facility located in Scott County, Kentucky. Here's where we produce and can all of our core packaged products like Cougar Bait Blonde Ale, Shotgun Wedding Vanilla Brown, Cliff Jumper IPA, Halfway Home, our new low calorie super premium lager, and a litany of ton of great other beers. It's an awesome facility with 8,000 square foot tap room. We have a kitchen on site where we smoke a lot of our own meats, cure a lot of our own bacon. We actually use Dano seasoning and incorporate it in a lot of the different menu items here in Georgetown. We'd love to have you come check it out, but we're gonna have a good time getting back to drinking beers with the Dano's folks.
Big Steve, pitmaster here at Country Boy Brewing. Use Dano's on a variety of things here, mostly the smoked turkey. Really like it the best on it, but we do use it in soup beans too and a few other little things. But I use it because it's damn good. About the best seasoning around in Kentucky. Kentucky proud too. Cheers.
So that about wraps it up at Country Boy Brewing. Next time you're in Georgetown, Kentucky, make sure you stop in, get you some dang good food and some Country Boy beer.